How to translate PDF files to any language. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can translate PDF files to any languages. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, you have to open up Drive in your device. So open up Chrome. Now then go to the Google Apps and then open up Drive. And make sure that you're logged in with your preferred account. So once you're here, tap on this plus icon at the top left corner and here click on File Upload. Now from your device, select your preferred PDF file that you want to convert into different language. For example, I have some documents here, and here I will copy or I will select one of the PDF file. Once done, click on Open and wait until the file is completed. If you refresh this page, you will find your PDF file here. Now to convert it into different language, you have to click on this three dot icon right here and here click on Open With. Now from here select Google Docs. Your PDF file will open on Google Docs and it will be converted into editable Word file. So once you're here, now if you want to change it into different language, then click on Tools at this interface right here. Now from here you have to go to Translate Document. Once you're here, now you can name your translated document. Under that, select your language. So from this drop down, select the language that you want to convert it into. Once done, click on Translate. Then your document will be converted to a different language, as you can see. So in this way you could translate your PDF file, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.